Hi, I'm Johnny with S&P Tree Service. Why should I remove a tree stump? Are you stumped about what to do with your leftover stump? Not only is it taking up valuable yard space, it can be something hazardous to trip over, catch with your lawnmower, or attraction for ants and other pests. At S&P Tree Service, we recommend having it removed using our stump grinding service. Our stump grinding masters will take care of your stump safely and efficiently while protecting your yard. For all your tree needs, give the professionals at S&P Tree Service a call today.